Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this bomb hair tutorial. I am wearing curly hair from West Kiss Hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this bomb look, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this cute curly bob. I did wash the hair and I did also bleach the knots on it, and this is how the inside looks. I think this is a 13x6. If not, it's a full frontal, but it definitely has a great parting space. So I am just gonna hot comb the little hairs back so I can give you guys a better look at the hairline. So this is how the full hairline looks, and I did not bleach it or anything. I mean, I didn't pluck it or anything. Only thing I did was bleach the knots. And honestly, I don't think it needs to be plucked. I'm honestly gonna put it on my head. So I'm just now going in and I'm going to adjust the strings in the wig, and I just adjust them before I put them on my head, just because it's super easier that way. Yo, this hair looks like some natural curly real hair. Let's see how short it is, because usually I like to cut my own curly bobs. Well, this one came already cut for me. So let's check it out. Y'all, the hairline is amazing. Like, the hairline is amazing. And like I told you guys, this is like a full, this is a full frontal. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace back here a little bit. It's not that much, but enough to where okay. So look at that, y'all. When I say I did not, like, when I say I did not cut a thing, like, I mean, I did not pluck a thing, like, I literally did not pluck anything. Another thing I didn't do, I haven't even put any makeup on the lace yet, and it's literally just giving scalp. It's giving scalp. Let me I'm gonna add a little bit of my face powder right now to it. But look, this is with makeup, this without makeup. It's literally like barely a difference. And begin gluing. I love a good HD lace. Like, I'm not crazy for them, but wow, look at this, y'all. No glue. No glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back. Again, I'm not wearing a stocking cap because I can see my little edges growing back, and I just don't want no stocking cap pulling them off. So layers, I'm probably gonna do just like 2 thin layers of this glue. And as you guys can see, I am far as hell from my hairline. Why am I that far from my hairline? I am trying to get my hairline to grow back, okay, y'all? Yeah, yes, we are doing a little forehead. I need something to smear it in my Once this dries, I will go ahead and do coat 2. So I'm now going in with coat 2. Alright, you guys, it hasn't fully dried clear yet, but we're gonna get to applying. Let me make sure that my side piece lines up correctly. Yeah. I'm gonna lay down right here first. Alright, you guys, so I'm just waiting on this little corner piece to dry so I can put it down. This one dried a lot more, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. I just need to find my tweezers so I can pull out a string. When I say do not play about these strings on my lace. Alright guys, so it's now fully melted. Well, it's not melted yet, but it's fully glued. I'm going to go ahead and now melt the hairline. First thing I'm going to take is this small little makeup brush, and I'm also taking my face powder, and I'm just dusting that along my perimeter of my hairline. Now I'm going to take my melt band from West Kiss Hair, and I'm just going to spray. I'm going to spray my finger with the lace melt spray by Evan. This is like, I love this spray, y'all. Love this spray. So I just like to spray it like this and then tap it along my lace, and as you can see, the lace is just completely disappearing. With my finger, just like that, and as you can see, it literally makes the lace melt away. And now I'm going to put my West Kiss melt band on, and I'm gonna let that sit for like 10 minutes. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just take off the band. It's been like 10 minutes. The longer you leave it, the better the melt is, honestly. Alright, now it's time to do some baby hairs. I'm gonna wear it like this. Like, I don't know, like, should I bring it forward and have like, I just wanted to be free spirited, honestly. It's me free spirited. Shut up. Like, let's get some baby hairs going. Alright, you guys, I'm about to cut and curl my baby hairs right now. So I'm gonna cut right here. And my sideburns down here. And my other sideburns down there. And I'm gonna curl it with my curling iron. Wow. Now we're going to do our baby hairs. I don't have any gel. I don't know where my gel is. So I'm going to be doing our baby hair with the Avian lace melt. You just gotta hold it down for a little bit and then start swooping. At first it'd be like really wet, so the hair is like will move, but then it'll start swooping. Like it'll start getting tacky and it won't move. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just gonna do a little throw over method and have it like this. So I've hot combed it down a little bit, but I don't want to do it too much on this side because I want it to have like that messy like flip over look, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm not gonna like overly press it out on this side. So this is the final look. I didn't really perfect the part. Let me go wet up this side just a tad bit, wet it up a little bit, but this is the final look. I think it looks really cute, very natural looking. You can flip it all around. I could put it in a half up if I chose to, or pulled up more and did like that. It's honestly really cute. But yeah, y'all, this is the final look. I'm gonna put a little bit of my sleekness spray on it. Notice that I'm like crumbling it up because I don't want it to have like I love it. Make sure you guys check out West Kiss Hair for some bomb affordable hair. Thank you guys for watching.